So today is my millionth time at trying to make a real French omelette. Um, if you hear something sizzling, it's because I'm cooking bacon at the same time. Oops. So what I've been experimenting with is to, get a real French omelette, meaning that it has to be like moist on the inside and not burnt on the outside. The outside exterior has to be some smooth texture to it. That is a very hard thing to do. So just for own reference sake, I'm going to measure the pan, and it is about 160 degrees, which in my experience is a bit too hot, to be honest. In all the videos I've seen of people making French omelette, even in a non-stick pan, they will use a lot of butter. This is, in my opinion, a lot of butter. Because as many of you probably saw, or some of you probably saw, this pan is my main workhorse, and it can make omelets and scrambled eggs without butter at all. I do always use butter because, of course, who doesn't love butter? But I try to go easy on it on the everyday use. So, French omelette, bacon, popping wants the attention. French omelette, like this. What does it say when we have the butter on it? It's still about the same, so it's regaining its heat. Of course, it will cool down a bit when you put on cold butter. So what I will be doing now is to pour on the egg and try to see if I can actually wait. Sorry, I should hit a bit because I want to be able to have full attention to the omelette in case I have a chance that I will succeed. All right, I'm ready. French omelette, here we go. All right, so you don't want too much sizzling, and you don't want to coagulate too fast. Like this is actually a bit too fast, to be honest. So what I'm trying is to turn it down a bit and smooth out the surface a bit, because now I am hoping for it to, start binding, or I want it to I can't talk, but I want it to be firm. The eggs are firming up. I think that's what I'm trying to say. So the main struggle has been, while I've been doing this, is that there will always be some part of it not done enough. So actually, this is exactly the surface I want, so this is a good start. I turned off the heat because I don't want it to be more brown. I will keep on twisting it, and as any of you ever did some research to the French omelette, you want to go out to the surface and then gently pour it on. All right. Okay, let's see here. So as you see, it's not perfect. I should actually just have waited a bit, but it's getting pretty darn close because I want to keep that exterior smooth while it is still moist inside. All right, well, I tried. I will make a progress video of this. I will learn it eventually, I'm sure.